Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show us how to make commercial laundry bar soap using semi-hot method of soap making. But before I proceed, kindly know that we do share different kind of videos on soap making here and other cosmetics products and how to make different kind of house cleaning agents. So if you want to be part of this family, do it to subscribe to this YouTube channel as we proceed to the main video. All our ingredients are already ready on the table. This is our caustic soda and water, then sodium silicate, and our oil which we'll be using for the production. So we have our perfume also, then our mixing bowl which we'll be using for the production. So what we'll do first now is to add the water to the mixing bowl. So that is how we do it in this production. You add the water first to the mixing bowl. So after adding the water, then we are going to add our caustic soda. So you make sure you add it gently, as caustic soda is very harmful to the skin and even to the entire body parts, especially eye. So you add it gently and stir it. During this process, do well to cover your nose also, because caustic soda has flame. It has flame which can also affect the nose, even eye also. So always remember to put on your complete gadgets during production. As you can see, I'm wearing hand glove. I don't handle caustic soda with bare hands. So I stir it very well and make sure it dissolves very well. During this period now, this very bowl is very hot, as in the caustic soda is seriously hot. Most of us that have handled caustic soda, we can tell with an experience that caustic soda do produce serious heat during first period of stirring it. So once it has dissolved now, so I'll be adding my water, my oil. So this process is called semi-hot process. So I'll add the oil also and stir it. Now the reaction will be taking place and the heat will increase. Serious heat will increase. So as I add it, I will stir it immediately. Stir vigorously to make sure everything blends seriously. So as you can see, make sure you stir yours very well. So one thing about the semi-hot method, so after your first stirring, so you stir for some while after pouring your oil. So you make sure you cover the bowl containing the mixture, cover it and allow it to saponificate. So when you cover it, saponification will take place in the production. So that's what I want to do now. So I'm going to cover it and allow it to saponificate for some minutes before I will now go back to the production again. Now let's see what we have. So look at how the soap have transformed. So now it has now saponificated very well. So we'll continue stirring again to get our desired result. So after stirring for some while, we'll now add our sodium silicate. The help of this sodium silicate is to help to bind the soap together, and also it works as a filler in soap also. It will even help to increase the weight of the soap and also the quantity, and also help to bind the soap together. So during stamping of the soap, it will help the soap not to scatter. So silicate is very good, and also a moisturizing agent also in soap. It will help the soap to be well moistured. So always add silicate to your soap during production, so we stir very well. You stir very well. So now the next thing to add is perfume. So I'll be adding perfume to the production. So after adding perfume, then I stir it again. Make sure I stir it for the perfume to circulate. So our soap is ready to be poured into mold. So I'll be pouring the soap into mold any moment from now. Always remember to cover your soap very well after adding into mold. It will help the soap also to saponificate more in the mold and gel. And don't forget to allow your soap to sit for overnight or 24 hours. So on our next topic, we are going to be discussing on how to produce brown soap, which is highly needed in the market. This is what the most soap industries have been hiding for us, because they use it to cash out in the market. So as a homemade soap maker, I'll be teaching us how to produce our own brown soap. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also follow me on Facebook at Miracles Enterprise. Then wait for the next video, as we'll be unveiling how to produce wonderful brown soap.